So I got the manifolds off, they're disconnected. I got the head bolts loosened up, I got the chain tensioner in there. Yeah, I shouldn't have to worry about too much since I just did this. I just gotta make sure this chain is nice and out of the way. Here. Okay. What's the hold up on this? Oh, the front two. Try this again. Those are out. Okay. Good enough to pass there. Okay, it's just a little bit hung up on that manifold yet. I found this out because I actually put a borescope down in here. I saw that. So that's pretty sad. So I was looking at the head gasket too, and I didn't see anything wrong with it really. I mean, there's this, but that's just oil. That could have been for me taking it off. Alright, it's been a little bit. Still working on this thing. Still waiting on a valve to show up to get number 6 all tidied up. Getting down to the final little bits before it's just got to be all put back together. So I got to do, what do I have to do in here? A couple little things. I got to get a carpet, take the seats out, put this all back together, and the interior's done. Okie dokie. Got some good progress down. Heads on, did a compression test. It's all looking pretty good. 175 to 185 each cylinder. Oil's flowing. It's got to get it all thrown back together, get the valves, or get the plugs back in, valve cover, and then snug up a few bolts in there, and we should be able to fire it off again. Okay, here she is. Got the hood back on, the head's back on. Pretty much all good to go. Pretty decent paint job on her now. Alright, so here's the L28, all put back together, fire it up. Hold on, I can drop the throttle a little bit. That's a belt. So, it had a bunch of problems still. The cat was plugged up, which plugged up the muffler, of course, so I got a new exhaust from about here back or something. And the throttle plate was maladjusted, so it always had a little bit of throttle going. Probably only about a degree or two. But Nissan wants it at 0 degrees, so I put that back. Then I had to play with the map a bit. Yeah, it actually makes a difference now. But pretty happy. So to finish up the areas I got messed up when I was painting it, but those are coming along quick. This side was bad, and then a little spot right over here was bad as well. Right there. Spidered on me, so then all chipped off. Overall, she runs pretty good now though. So yeah, after taking a little bit of a break from engine work for a little bit and working on bushings and brake hoses and flex lines and redoing a bunch of other stuff, I finally came back around to it and decided to finish her up. So engine's pretty happy. It might burn a little bit of oil now, but that's okay. Ultimately, it's going to change someday. It's probably going to stay in L28, but might do a little something right there. I don't know. See how it is. And then here's just a quick look at the interior too. Still got to get carpet.